Apple's bold leap, revolutionizing tech with an in-house modem. Apple is shaking up the tech world again. Get ready for slimmer iPhones, foldable devices, and even cellular Macs, all thanks to a game-changing in-house modem, internally named Sinope. According to reports, Apple's new modem technology is set to debut next year. This move will gradually phase out Qualcomm components, giving Apple even greater control over its ecosystem. The first device to feature this revolutionary modem will be the iPhone SE, launching next year. And that's not all. Apple is planning its thinnest phone yet, codenamed D23, expected to drop in 2025. This modem innovation is a stepping stone to foldable iPhones by 2026, marking a huge leap forward for the company. Display analyst Ross Young predicts the foldable market could grow by over 30% in that same year. But it doesn't stop at phones. Apple's modem will enable cellular capabilities for Macs, and even headsets like the Vision Pro, making Apple's devices more versatile than ever. Why is Apple doing this? Reports say engineers are frustrated with Qualcomm's modems, which take up too much space in iPhones. Apple's custom modem will be compact, paving the way for sleeker designs. The new modem will also appear in low-end iPads next year, with Pro versions getting an upgrade by 2026. However, for now, the Apple Watch isn't part of these cellular updates. Of course, the competition isn't backing down. Huawei is intensifying efforts to challenge Apple's dominance. With both companies innovating rapidly, the tech landscape is about to heat up.